பாரதிய ஜனதா மாநில இளைஞரணி மாநாடு சேலத்தில் நடந்தது. தேசிய இளைஞரணி தலைவர் தேஜஸ்வி சூர்யா பேசினார்.
வந்தே 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 வீரவேல் வெற்றிவேல் வெற்றி வெற்றி வெற்றிவேல் வெற்றி வெற்றி வெற்றிவேல். Tamil Nadu spirit. DMK is anti-Tamil and I will tell you the reasons. Hindu asingam, Hindu madam asingam, Hindu நம்பிக்கை இல்லை, ஆனால் Hindu vote மட்டும் தேவை. What is this, brother?
திமுகவை பொறுத்தவரையில் குடும்பம்தான் கட்சி, எங்களை பொறுத்தவரையில் கட்சிதான் குடும்பம் என்றார்.
I see thousands and thousands of Yuva Morcha Karyakartas coming from very common families, armed Karyakartas of the party. We are working hard for the party. All our Yuva Morcha Karyakartas on the stage, none of us come from big political families. But DMK has changed definition of democracy in Tamil Nadu. DMK's definition of democracy is of the family, by the family, for the family. We must reject this family politics of DMK. We must bring real democracy in Tamil Nadu. This is the spirit of Tamil Nadu's BJP. Friends, I come from a very common family. My party recognized a Karyakarta like me, gave me an opportunity. In only the Bharatiya Janata Party can a common Karyakarta from a family who is not in politics, only in the BJP can they become MP, they can become MLA, they can become national president, they can become state president. Our example of Muruganji, Vinodji, Rajnathji, hundreds and thousands of examples are there.
ஆட்சிக்கு வந்தால் இந்துக்களை அவமதிப்பது திமுகவின் வாடிக்கை. தேர்தல் வந்துவிட்டால் ஓட்டுக்காக பக்தர்களைப் போல நடிக்கிறார்கள். இந்து அசிங்கம், இந்து மதத்தில் நம்பிக்கை இல்லை, இந்துக்களின் ஓட்டு மட்டும் தேவையா? இந்துக்களுக்கு எதிராக செயல்படும் திமுகவை தோற்கடிக்க வேண்டும் என்றார்.
The second thing that the DMK is anti-Tamil is because DMK represents a very bad, virulent ideology which is anti-Hindu. Every Tamil is a proud Hindu. This is the sacred land which has the highest number of temples in the country. Every sacred inch of Tamil Nadu is sacred. Every soil particle of Tamil Nadu is Punya Bhumi. But the DMK is anti-Hindu. Therefore, we must defeat the DMK. The contribution of the great Tamil scholars, saints, philosophers, singers, poets to Hindu Dharma has had influence all around the world. But today, whenever DMK has got a chance to be in power, they have grabbed temple lands, their statements have hurt Hindus, and they have always done things which have insulted our religious belief. But when election comes, they start acting as though they are devout Hindus. Today, all youth of Tamil Nadu must ask one question to the hypocrites of DMK. Hindu asingam, Hindu madam asingam, Hindu நம்பிக்கை இல்லை, ஆனால் Hindu vote மட்டும் தேவை. What is this, brother? The DMK tries to paint the BJP as anti-Tamil and as a Hindi party. I want to ask DMK, I want to ask Stalin, if BJP was a Hindi party, would I, from Bengaluru, who does not know Hindi properly, would I have been made national president of the youth wing of this party? Would Vanadi Srinivasan be made the head of the party's National Mahila Morcha? Bharatiya Janata Party is the only party that respects and promotes all regional languages of India. If Tamil has to survive, Hindutva has to win. If Kannada has to win, Hindutva has to win. Therefore, the BJP represents the spirit of Tamil Nadu and the spirit of Tamil language.
புதிய வளமான தமிழகத்தை உருவாக்குவது ஒவ்வொரு இளைஞனின் கடமை எனவும் அவர் கூறினார்.
And in whichever part of the world young Tamilians have gone, they have brought lot of credit and success and fame to India. Ramanujam, C.V. Raman. Today, if you look at T. Natarajan from Salem, you look at the achievers of Tamil Nadu. Whenever young Tamilians have given a chance, they have gone up and above and brought fame to the country. We need today a non-corrupt government, a government which promotes the talent of young people in Tamil Nadu and only one government under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Delhi and the NDA leadership in Tamil Nadu can work for the benefit of the young people of Tamil Nadu. Kindly request you to fight for this great cause of keeping Tamil Nadu's future high. This is the only reason why all of us have come here to make the request to you. For the love that you have given for the Bharatiya Janata Party here, together let us resolve, let us promise, and let us come to a conclusion that together we will build a new Tamil Nadu, a prosperous Tamil Nadu, a Tamil Nadu which, like has always in the history, given leadership and direction to the rest of the country. This is the responsibility of every youth of Tamil Nadu.